Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be putting a spoiler on the back of a 2011 Camaro. I bought it on eBay. Looks pretty simple. I'll show you how it's done. Alright, so the spoiler comes with some simple instructions. You got some templates here. We're going to drill a couple of 1/8 holes, and we got some foam that goes around the holes just to keep the water from getting in the trunk. I mean, it's a lot simpler than I actually thought, so pretty good. Here it is. Alright, we're going to unbox it now. Yeah. Just a quick note, guys. You can order it to the specific color of your car. This happens to be Blade Silver, code 636R. It's the only silver the Camaro came in 2010, 11, and 12, so you can't miss it. You know what I mean? If it's black, it's black. If it's silver, this is the only silver. Alright, just a little heads up. Alright guys, I unwrapped it. It looks like I got 6 holes that I have to line up, and I'll use a little template on there, then I'll drill a hole. Nice little spoiler. Pre-painted. Alright guys, so you take these little templates and you stick them to where the holes are. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we'll lay it down on the trunk. You tape these down so when you lift the spoiler off, they stay in the spot and you know where each hole has to go. Alright guys, so once you lay it down, you just put some tape over each one so that when you pull it up, it'll be in the same spot as before and those holes will be all lined up. So you do it just like that in all 6 spots. When you pull it off, that's where your holes are going to be. Alright, so to save a little time on the video, I went ahead and drilled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes at 1/8 inch, and now we got to go a little bit larger. I got to look at the instructions and see what the actual finished size will be. All right, guys, I drilled 6 pilot holes 1/8. We got to go to 5/16, but before I do that, I got to get the plugs out, and this back panel's got to come out. You got to take off this piece around the lock, comes right off. Pop these out, and we can get behind there where the drill holes are going to be. I'm going to go see if I have a tool. These are a little hard to get out right here, and I don't want to rip anything. I got this little fork tool. I'm going to throw some tape over it so I don't scratch the car. I think I can get into it like that, no problem, so I'll just leave it like this. Now we'll enlarge these holes right here to 5/16. Here we got the 5/16 drill bit, and we're going to drill. Alright guys, that was pretty easy using the DeWalt drill gun and the 5/16 bit. It's actually a DeWalt bit as well, and I'll get off some of the high edges now so I have a little file to put around the holes, and then we'll install the spoiler.
Was that big enough?
I'm just getting the high spots off. We got these little stick-on foam washers that we'll put around each hole, keep the water from getting into the trunk. Okay, that's the foam on all 6 holes. So this way we don't get any rain or water into the trunk. Now we'll install the spoiler. Okay, we got 6 Phillips screws. Okay, we'll get them all on loosely and then I'll tighten it up. 2 of them are pretty deep inside the trunk, the 2 center ones, so let's see if I got a magnet to get them started. Magnetic screwdriver. If you don't have a magnet, you can just throw a little tape on there to hold it on. Otherwise you're going to lose it in the trunk. Alright guys, that's it. She's on. I just got to put all the plugs back in and we'll see how she looks. Alright guys, that's it for today. That was the rear spoiler on the 2011 Camaro. It's an LT1. I actually threw a little RS badge on the back to make it look a little nicer also, and I'll place one on the front. Once I get there's like a special bracket that goes behind the grille to hold the RS emblem in, so I'll do that as well. And then I'm going to throw some stripes on it, and I'll show you as it comes along what I add to it to make it look a little more sporty. Hey guys, today on What's in Your Garage, we got something a little different. I like cool gadgets, things that are a little bit, you maybe wouldn't have or wouldn't maybe perhaps know about. So for today, it's what's on my head. Here you might say, hey, DIY Dad, that's just a beanie cap. It is just a beanie cap with a little special thing that I like that helps you maybe in the dark while you're working, whatever. It's a beanie with a light built in it. And here it is. We got LED lights built right into the beanie hat. Up inside of it, so you can see there's a little switch, and we'll turn it on. Like blind this thing, because it's pretty bright. So now there you go. You got a beanie hat, and you can see while you're working in the dark. I'm going to shut the light and show you the beanie hat. You can tell if you were working here, you can see how bright it is. Wherever you look, it's going to be bright. So there you go. Another cool gadget for what's in your garage. And like I said, it's right under there. It's got a battery in it. Nice and warm in the winter. And you got your little light built in. So if anyone's interested, I will definitely link it in this video. It's another Amazon purchase. I like looking through Amazon for some weird stuff, and just caught my eye, so I bought it. Definitely a cool tool. Add it to your arsenal, or your husband's arsenal, or your significant other's arsenal. I just think it's a very cool thing to have. I think they would like it too. So if you need a gift idea, maybe Christmas, whatever, there you go. Light up beanie hat. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And I'll see you guys next time. Maybe I'll have another cool gadget for what's in your garage. So take care. Stay safe out there.